Hey, adrenaline seekers. Welcome to the ultimate destination where pure excitement meets unrelenting thrill. Brace yourself for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most exhilarating moments ever captured. If you're here for the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Let's set your pulse racing and keep the adrenaline pumping. On June 27th, 2023, the Arkansas State Police dispatch team received a 911 call, reporting a silver passenger car speeding aggressively. Upon locating the vehicle, officers quickly initiated a pursuit, determined not to let the driver evade capture.
10-4 speed, they 104, approach 42 south.
Back up 13, up to the PBI, back up.
The police made efforts to catch up with the vehicle, which was estimated to be traveling at 100 miles per hour, recklessly weaving through traffic as it sped southbound. As the driver entered the on-ramp to Highway 43, Sergeant Preston executed a tactical vehicle intervention, causing Register's car to spin out and crash into the guardrail, effectively ending the pursuit.
Yeah, just north of 73, go down to bring her up.
Let me see you fuck your hands. Get out the car. Hands. 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 Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Got me covered?
Yeah, cuffed.
The police swiftly approached and apprehended the driver without any further incident. The individual was later identified as Casey Register. He was transported to Jefferson Regional Medical Center for evaluation, where, after being examined, he was found to have no serious or minor injuries. Register was then taken to the Dub Brassell Detention Center. On January 19th, 2023, while on patrol, Officer C. Newsall was alerted by a Chatham County Sheriff's Department officer about a white Nissan Murano with a broken rear window that was attempting to flee. Upon receiving the notification, Officer Newsall immediately accelerated in an effort to pursue the suspect, determined not to let him escape.
538, help me 1080. 204 Grove Point Road. It's a white Nissan Murano. Tom Bell Jones said it on 2DA7. Just ran from this vehicle, just 1080 from the channel.
We're 1080. Don't worry about who initiated. We're trying to chase this car right now. Go. Okay. Just let it go for a second. We want to get...
The Nissan continued to flee eastbound on Georgia 204, driving recklessly. As it approached Sweetwater Station Road, the driver executed a U-turn and accelerated, heading westbound on Georgia 204. the Nissan Murano attempted to overtake another vehicle, narrowly avoiding a collision with a Dodge Charger that was yielding to the right. Seizing the opportunity, the police executed a successful pit maneuver, causing the Nissan to roll several times. The contents of the vehicle were thrown out as it came to a chaotic stop.
You got a back on you? Got that airbag right now. Keep going if they start shooting out there, move out of the way. Pull it out. Pull it out. There you go. Now pull it out. Take it out.
As the Nissan flipped over, the driver, who was not wearing a seatbelt, was ejected from the vehicle. Police immediately notified the Troop F Communications Center about the accident and requested fire and EMS personnel to provide medical assistance. The driver, later identified as Amy Humans Paget, was pronounced dead while en route to the hospital.
29 to felony takedown, European.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
On March 25th, Officer Jimmy Harmon of the Lamar Police Department reported the theft of a white Ford pickup truck towing a trailer in Lamar. After receiving a tip, police quickly closed in on the vehicle and attempted to initiate a stop. However, the driver refused to pull over, sparking a pursuit.
29 Clarksville, I contacted it. We're westbound. We need 1024 with it. Still going westbound, 57 mile marker. Yeah, County and PD with me.
10 for direct. 29, are you covering?
We're still on going. He's trying to sling that stuff off the street.
Clarksville police also attempted to deploy spike strips to stop the vehicle, but were unsuccessful. The pursuit continued westbound at speeds of around 70 miles per hour. Moore stated that it appeared the suspect tried to shake the contents of the trailer loose during the chase.
So they get some more units and freeze them here. Yeah. 70 miles an hour. Still less than 40 in the fast lane. Or fast lane.
Units, be careful. I think he's trying to sling that stuff off the street. That looked like a male, but I just looked at 28 and lit him up. I didn't get in front of it.
Oh, that's the 53.
A Coal Hill police unit also deployed spike strips, successfully puncturing the driver's front tire. However, the thief, undeterred, attempted to accelerate and continued fleeing.
Your lane.
Spike's pulling. Oh, he's losing an icebox out the back. He's speaking. Looks like we got a front tire, front driver's side tire. Definitely front driver's side tire. 68 miles an hour. Westbound.
However, with the front tire damaged and wobbling uncontrollably, the vehicle struggled to move. Eventually, the thief was forced to slow down and come to a stop, bringing the chase to an end after a determined effort by the police.
He's on the rim. He's about to come to a stop here soon. Just before the Franklin. All right, we're pulling over on the shoulder just before Franklin County.
29 to felony takedown, European.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
The suspect was seen exiting the vehicle, nude, and attempting to flee the scene before being apprehended by police. She was then transported to the Johnson County Detention Center, where she was charged with theft, fleeing, reckless driving, and resisting arrest. On November 22, 2023, near the intersection of South 4th Street, police spotted a vehicle believed to be involved in a drive-by shooting. They immediately activated their sirens and initiated a pursuit. Officers used a pit maneuver to stop the vehicle on Airport Way South, with no injuries. Multiple firearms were recovered, and the 32-year-old suspect was booked into King County Jail for drive-by shooting and possession of a stolen vehicle. On May 22, 2021, while on patrol in Florida, officers spotted a white car matching the description of a stolen vehicle. After confirming its identity, they activated their hazard lights and attempted to initiate a stop. When the suspect realized he was being pursued, he accelerated rapidly in an attempt to evade capture. The police followed closely, waiting for an opportunity to safely end the chase, while also requesting backup to assist in stopping the vehicle. The suspect recklessly overtook another vehicle, showing complete disregard for the safety of others. At such high speeds, even the smallest mistake could have resulted in a fatal crash. The police quickly arrived to assist, intensifying the drama of the chase. Finally, the moment the police had been waiting for arrived. As the suspect's car began to slow down on a less crowded stretch of road, officers moved in and performed a controlled ram, pushing the vehicle until it lost control and crashed into the curb. The chase ended safely. The officers quickly exited their vehicle and successfully subdued the suspect, who was then transported to the Pasco County Jail without incident.